Hi everybody, we're going to talk about what's on. So today I'm wearing a Armoury Model 6 double-breasted blazer. I made this made to order for myself using a Fox Brothers tweed. I'm wearing the Armoury's button-down collar button-down collar polo. I'm wearing a pair of bespoke Pommella trousers in heavy cotton twill. I've got on our Yohei Fukuda single monk strap shoes. And for my wrist check today, I've got a Naoya Type 1B. And on my head is the Shimowada cap. Shimowada cap is kind of a new cap that we designed with this really talented bespoke hat maker in Tokyo called Shimowada-san. Now, why am I wearing all this today? Firstly, the Pommella trunk show is ongoing. So we have the Pommella trunk show here in our Tribeca store today, Friday, and tomorrow, Saturday. If you're interested in making an appointment, coming to see the trousers, coming to meet Gianluca, please feel free to get in touch with us and we'd be happy to arrange an appointment. Other reason that I'm wearing this stuff today is because I wanted to talk about this blazer. This blazer, if you told me at the beginning of the season that I would be wearing a tweed double-breasted blazer with brass buttons more than any other garment, I would have told you you're crazy. But actually, that is how my season has come to pass. I have worn this blazer more than any other garment this year, and, well, not this year, but this season, and I absolutely love it. It's pretty interesting. Like, this tweed has a little bit of stretch to it, and I have also put on quite a bit of weight in the last couple of weeks. So between being double-breasted and being a little bit stretchy in the tweed, that has really been a very comfortable and flattering way to wear clothing. So I'm very pleased that I made this garment. And you know what? I was actually especially hesitant about the brass buttons on this dark cloth, but it's been good. I really like it. Like, as a little decoration, it's really wonderful. I get a lot of compliments on this garment, and so we are actually thinking about putting it into production as ready to wear for fall/winter 2022. If you guys are interested in something like that, please leave a comment. We would love to get your feedback on it. All right, one more thing. This finally arrived. So this is my Yohei Fukuda bespoke loafers. You might remember a few months ago, we did a little unboxing and fitting of the fitting shoes on video, and finally the real thing is here. So I haven't opened it yet. I mean, I cut the top of the box open, but I haven't actually seen them yet because it's been sitting on my desk for a week and I've been just super busy and I haven't been able to get to it. So we're gonna work on that next. And then finally, last thing I wanna mention, which is over there in the window, the Armoury's Daywear Cotton Collection. So that is our like sport chino cotton that has now also been made into like tops, like daywear tops, such as the safari jacket, the 3PB, and the road jacket. Those are in store and online now, and they're really worth a look. I'm actually really surprised by how positive the reaction has been to them. I thought I was the only one in the world who wanted a cotton safari suit, but clearly not. There are other people who want this, so this is great. Alrighty, that is about it for now. Have a great weekend. Stop by the store if you can, and thanks for watching.